how to log out Snapchat from all other devices. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can log out Snapchat from all other devices. So let's begin with the video, but before beginning I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First thing is you need to download the Snapchat onto your device. After that, simply log in into your account. After logging in, you should be able to see this home interface on your screen. So what you're gonna do is simply click on your profile at the top left. After clicking on it, you should just hit that gear icon. And here you just need to scroll down until you see this two-factor authentication. Just simply tap on it, and if you haven't set up the two-factor authentication, you just need to set it. After setting up, you should be able to see this on your screen. So what you're gonna do is simply tap on this forget devices, and here you should be able to see all of the devices that you have logged in on. After that, in order to forget all of the devices, you should be able to see forget all devices very easily. Simply click on it and confirm and go on with the verification process to do so, and you should be able to forget all of the devices and remove your Snapchat account from all of the other devices. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.